angel?
What?
An angel. They're the most beautiful creatures in the universe.
I haven't seen her in 10 years, Master.
Annie? I've changed so much.
You haven't changed a bit. From the moment I met you, not a day has gone by when I haven't thought of you.
Please don't look at me like that.
Why not? The thought of not being with you. Don't go. I can't breathe. I wish that I could just wish away my feelings. But I can't.
I can't. We can't. It's just not possible. I love you.
You love me. I thought that we had decided not to fall in love. We could keep it a secret.
We'd be living a lie.
That we would be forced to live a lie. And that it would destroy our lives.
I think our lives are about to be destroyed anyway.
I've missed you, Padmé. Feels like we've been apart for a lifetime.
What is it?
Are you all right? Nothing. You're trembling. What's going on?
Don't shut me out. Let me help you. Something wonderful has happened. Annie,
I'm not the Jedi I should be.
I'm pregnant.
I want more. And I know I shouldn't.
This is a happy moment. The happiest moment of my life. You die in childbirth.
And the baby?
I don't know.
It was only a dream.
I won't let this one become real.
I'm not gonna die in childbirth, Annie.
You could actually save people from death.
I promise you.
No, I promise you.
Is it possible to learn this power?
I won't lose you, Padmé.
Not from a Jedi.
You're so beautiful.
It's only because I'm so in love.
No. No, it's because I'm so in love with you.
I will do whatever you ask.
So love has blinded you.
Just help me save Padmé's life.
Padmé. Well, that's not exactly what I meant.
I can't live without her.
That's probably true.
Anakin has turned to the dark side.
Anakin, you're breaking my heart.
I truly.
You're going down a path I can't follow. Not Anakin.
Deeply.
He couldn't. Stop! Stop now! Come back!
Love you.
I love you.
Liar!
I'm not afraid to die.
I made this for you, so you'd remember me.
I've been dying a little bit each day since you came back into my life.
I remember when I gave this to you.
She's dying.
She was alive.
Luke.
I felt it.
I'm glad to have met you, Anakin.
I was glad to meet you too.
Where is Padmé?
Is Anakin all right?
Is she all right?
It's all we know.
Obi-Wan.
All we know.
I know.